Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In last video, we have solved practice set number 5.1 related to expansion formula if you remember. I hope you have gone through that. So under practice set number 5.1, we had studied how to perform multiplication between two brackets if you remember. In today's video, we are going to solve practice set number 5.2. Basically, there are total 8 questions. In today's video, we are going to cover first 4 questions, and in next video, we'll solve remaining question. Okay. So to solve this problem, you should know a plus b whole cube formula. Okay. Entire practice set 5.2 is based on a plus b whole cube. So what is basically a plus b whole cube? Which is nothing but equal to, the standard result is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay. So now initially we'll do derivation part. Okay. We have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. If you remember, in last lecture we had studied how to take the square of any number. If I consider 12 square, how we are going to represent 12 into 12, which is equal to 144 if you remember. Similarly, if you need to take the cube of any number, then how you are going to represent? Let's consider 3 cube, which is nothing but equal to 3 into 3 into 3. You have to represent same number 3 times and then you need to multiply them. Correct? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So the cube of 3 is equal to 27. Similarly, here if you observe carefully, left hand side is a plus b whole cube. So how you are going to represent? Let's consider, to derive this equation, we need to consider a plus b whole cube is equal to a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. Same term we need to write 3 times, and if you remember law of indices, a raised to m into a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m plus n. So what is the degree over here? It is 1. Here it is 1. Here it is 1. So if you are going to club them, if you are going to add them, you will be getting a plus b whole cube. Now how you are going to find out the right hand side should be equal to standard result? Can I write first bracket, that is a plus b as it is, into a plus b whole square? This a plus b raised to 1 into a plus b raised to 1, it will become a plus b whole square. Already we had studied this formula based on algebraic identity. If you remember, you can check that video. Then you can easily substitute a plus b into a plus b whole square is given by a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we have two different brackets with us. So how we are going to perform the multiplication between two brackets? We have to multiply each and every term from first bracket with second one. So here first I need to take a into second bracket. What is left out from the first bracket? Plus b into second bracket. And then you need to perform multiplication. What you will get? A into a square is a cube plus a into 2ab, it will become 2a square b, as a raised to 1 into a raised to 1 is what? A square, plus a into b square will be ab square. Similarly, here plus b into a square is ba square, or you can write a square b, plus b into 2ab, it will become 2a b square, plus into plus will be plus b into b square is b cube. I hope you can easily perform multiplication between two brackets. Okay. So next step is what? You have to identify the like term and then perform the addition. So here the coefficient is 2. Here the coefficient is 1. If you observe like term, these two are the like term, a square b, it will become 2 plus 1 is 3a square b. Similarly, ab square and ab square, if you are going to club them, you will get 3ab square plus what is remaining, b cube. If you can check with the right hand side result, this is equal to RHS. So I hope you have understood how to get left hand side is equal to right hand side. But to solve practice set number 5.2, you have to remember this formula. So what is basically a plus b whole cube? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. I hope you have understood this proof. Now let's begin with solution number 1. So what is given? First question is k plus 4 whole cube. So if you observe carefully, k plus 4 whole cube, it means that you need to apply a plus b whole cube formula. So let's begin with solution number 1. What is given? K plus 4 whole cube. Okay, you need to compare the given question with the standard result. So let consider a is equal to k and b is equal to 4. Am I right? So if you are going to use this formula, so a cube, so we have considered a is equal to k. So how you are going to represent? K cube plus 3 as it is into a square. So you have considered a is equal to k. So you need to write k square into b value in this case is 4 plus 3 into what is a? A is nothing but k in this case, b square, that is 4 square plus 4 cube. Simply you have to use a plus b whole cube formula as it is. After using that formula, what you will get? K cube will be k cube plus 4 3s are 12, k square will be k square plus 4 square is 16. 16 into 3 is 48k plus 4 cube is what? 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. This is your final answer for question number 1. I hope you have understood how to apply a plus b whole cube formula in the given question. Now you need to solve, you need to try solution number 2. So let's begin with solution number 2. What is given? 7x plus 8y whole cube. Let consider a is equal to 7x and b is equal to 8y. Now we need to substitute a is equal to 7x and b is equal to 8y inside the standard result. Am I right? So what you will get? A cube. So instead of a, we have to substitute 7x whole cube plus 3 as it is into a square. What is a in this case? 7x whole square into b. B is what? 8y plus 3 into a into b square. A is 7x into b square, that is 8y whole square plus b cube is 8y whole cube. I hope you have understood this step. Next step is what? We have to take here 7 cube. What is 7 cube? 343. X cube is x cube. Am I right? Plus 3 into 7 square is 49 into x square is x square into 8y plus 3 into 7x into 8 square is 64 y square plus 8 cube is 512 y cube is y cube. Am I right? Now what we need to do? First we need to perform the multiplication. What you will get? 49 into 8. 8 nines are 72. 8 fours are 32 plus 7 is 392 into 3. So here answer is 3 twos are 6, 9 threes are 27, 3 threes are 9 plus 2 is 11. So here answer is 1176. So what you will get? 343x cube plus 1176 into x square y plus here this is 64 into 21. 64 into 21. 21 fours are 84. 21 six are 126 plus 8 is 134. So you will get 1344 xy square plus 512 y cube. I hope you have understood. Solution for question number 2. Solution 3. 7 plus m cube is given. So we need to consider, yes, a is equal to 7 and b is equal to m. And after applying this formula, what you will get? 7 cube plus 3 into 7 square into m plus 3 into 7 into b square, that is m square plus m cube. I hope you have understood how to substitute values inside the standard result. So after substituting all the values, what you will get? 7 cube is 343. 7 square is 49. 49 into 3, what you will get? 49 into 3 will be what? Yes, 9 threes are 27. 4 threes are 147 m plus 7 threes are 21 m square plus m cube. I hope you have understood this step. So this is your final answer after applying a plus b whole cube. Now coming to the last solution, what is given? 52 is given. Okay, so how you are going to divide 52? So we can divide 52 cube is equal to 50 plus 2 whole cube. Am I right? So this is nothing but in the form of a plus b whole cube. Am I right? If I consider 44 cube, how you are going to divide that? 40 plus 4 cube. But if I consider 48, instead of taking 40 plus 8 whole cube, you can consider 50 minus 2 whole cube. You will come to know how to apply a minus b whole cube formula in next videos. Okay. So here same concept you need to use. Let a is equal to 50 and b is equal to 2. So after substituting in standard result, what you will get? 3 into a square, a is 50 square, into b is 2, plus 3 into a is 50, into b square is 2 square, plus 2 cube. So what is 50 cube? 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So here 50 into 50 is 0, 125, no, 250, no, 2500. Extremely sorry. 50 into 50 is 2500 into 50. What you will get? 50 into this is 1250. Okay. So here 50 cube is 125000 plus 3 into 2500 into 2 plus 3 into 50 into 4 plus 8. So what you will get? 125000 plus here 3 2s are 6, 25 6 are 150. So 15,000 plus 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So 600 plus 8. So if you are going to add them, what you will get? 125000 plus 15000 plus 600 plus 8, you will get, here 6, 5 plus 5 is 10, 4, 1. So 52 cube is 140608. I hope you have understood practice set number 5.2. We have covered first 4 examples. In next video, we'll cover remaining 4 examples. So keep watching, keep learning, keep smiling. See you in the next video. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Good day.